G'day! In today's video, I'm doing a screen replacement on this Lenovo Z50, not 500. So first of all, I'm going to start by taking out the battery. To unlock. One battery removed. And then from there, I'm going to remove the bezels off this one, which you just basically slide a finger underneath at the front. And you'll hear some great cracking sounds. Ta-da! One trim removed. Then from here, I'm going to remove 4 screws. All of them are the same length, so I don't need to be too concerned about that. There we go. Fold the panel forward. I need to disconnect this little bugger down here. I'll just zoom in on that for you guys. And that should lift up and then pull back, like that. We have one released panel. Here's the panel number here. And this is just the replacement panel that I'll be putting back in here. It's also just a 720p panel, same resolution, same connection. Even though it's made by a different company, it conforms to the same kind of standards. So that connects on there, like so. Flip this down, fold it back up. With it folded up, you do want to also make sure that the LCD cable is in its little holder. We'll zoom out from here. And then we're going to put our screws back in. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to put the trim back on. So I'll start in the top corner and work my way down. I'm just clamping it as I go along. Should make fairly decent click snap noises along the way. Close it over. Check it down here to see if that's clicked in on both sides. Typically if it hasn't, what I normally do in that instance is a small flathead screwdriver and just lever it in. It does seem to be good actually. The other side, also good. Put your battery back in. Put it back to lock. There we go. Flip it over. And you should have successfully replaced the display in your Lenovo Z50. Catch you guys in another video. Bye.